What's going on, brothers and sisters? Now we definitely got to talk, on what's going on, you know, with this racial injustice that we are continuing to have in America. Now, what you see photos of a black Missouri teen shot in the head after ringing the wrong doorbell. Now, white homeowner accused of shooting a black teen who went to the wrong house in Kansas City will face 2 felony charges. I want to say something to you guys. The whole community is devastated. Now, the white Kansas City man accused of shooting a black teen who showed up at his front door by accident have been charged with 2 felonies. CNN, Rosemary Church interview retired LAPD Sergeant Cheryl Dorsey. This is sad, you guys. This can't keep going on and on and on and on where we get in history to just continue to repeat itself. It's sad where we got Republicans in Congress when it comes to these gun laws. Now they forcing this gun behavior to go out into the streets so that chaos can erupt as we seen it today. Now, prosecutor filed 2 felony charges against suspect. That's the latest we have. But this is sad, you guys. This is something that we've been fighting for over centuries. And I want to say we are tired. We are tired. We are tired. And see, the sad thing is, they just don't get enough of putting the life of American people at risk. They just don't give a damn about what they are doing. So when I say, what have this country done in the last century of freedom, justice, and equality? What have this Republicans, Democrats, and Congress done? Well, you got people are protesting. Where a nation needs peace. Where there's no peace. We all stand in the nation where there's violence erupting throughout the country. The sad thing, brothers and sisters, we gotta live with pain. In the article, it says Andrew was charged. I'll come back to that article for just a second. Now, the Clay County Prosecutor's Office announced that the filed 2 criminal charges against the suspect in April 13th, shooting of a 16-year-old Ralph in Kansas City, Missouri. Now, Andrew was charged with 1 count of felony assault and his first degree, or 1 count of armed criminal action, also a felony, police says. Now, it says here, the 16-year-old black teenager was shot Thursday night by going to a wrong house. Sad. It's sad. Now, Thursday night by a homeowner, Kansas City, after he accidentally went to the wrong door. You guys, this is a disgrace. It's a disgrace. I remember this prosecutor right here on the screen. He's working a case for Tiffany to get justice for our brother, Rasheem Carter. This is the same prosecutor you looking on the screen that's trying to work on getting justice. So he got some cases that he's working hard on to try to get justice for the family of Tiffany. You know what I mean? The mother of Tiffany of Rasheem Carter. This here, brothers and sisters, I want to say that God is going to pay white America. They're going to pay for every consequences that they put our people through. Just want to say that. And we should have when the judgment comes, we should have no sympathy. And this is why I say we must be separate. This is why I say we must be separate. This here, as you looking here on the screen, this is why I say we must be separate. This is a 16-year-old innocent boy. He didn't deserve to even getting shot, even ringing the wrong doorbell. Now, racism here in America has stuck with us all our life. This 16-year-old boy should not lose his life behind a man because he wanted to shoot a black man today. This is senseless. This is a disgrace to our nation that we all stand. It's a disgrace. And this is why I say the Democrats and Republicans should pay. Our nation is heading in the wrong direction. We're dealing with an angry nation. And people going to look at America from the inside instead of coming here to America. They're all going to leave America. I won't be surprised, seeing you guys, seeing a civil war bound to come to this nation. The Trump indictment, the shooting massacres that's going on in America, it's going to create chaos. It's going to create chaos because people ain't going to be able to handle. And see, look at, he has no right. You see this? This is a good image of these photos that he had no right to shoot this black man. He has no right. He had no rights. He did it because, He wanted to kill a nigga. Now, that image shows you racism here in America. That image right there show you racism in America. You guys, comment below. Help me fight this racial injustice. Because the only way we're going to fight is we stand up and address these things on our platform.